Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what's inside of Santa's surprise box. This is by Clear Jelly Stamper. So I bought this box and I'm just gonna show you all the accessories and the polishes that come with it. So to start, I got this candy cane. Unfortunately, it was broken, but I thought it was a nice detail. Probably not gonna eat it though. And next we have this container. So this is a plastic container to put your nail polish remover, your acetone, alcohol, whatever you might need. And it has this pump that makes it a little bit easier to use, and you can close and open the lid by twisting it. Next we have a red stamper. So this is a metallic red stamper with a scraper. I feel like I've seen the stamper before. I have a couple that are kind of like the same, but they're just like different brands and colors. And the head of the stamper is pretty soft, and I think it will be very easy to work with this. And it comes with a small regular scraper. Next we have this set of 3 scrapers. These are holographic and with butterflies on it. Super pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna use them though because they look too pretty. They're a little bit bigger and more rigid and thicker than the previous one. Next we have this container. These are still mixing marbles. So this container holds 100 and you can put 1 or 2 inside your nail polish, shake them very well, and it will help mix up the polish and it will keep them as fresh as possible. Next we have this accessory by Clear Jelly Stamper. This is cuticle oil and it comes in this bottle of 3 millimeters with this dropper. It smells really delicious, guys. So if you can get it, I don't know if they're gonna sell it on the website, but it smells great. The next accessory is by one of the partner companies. This is a bag of small Christmas trees. These are holographic. They're very flexible and very thin. They're not stickers though, so you can encapsulate them and put them under a top coat if you want. Next we have this accessory. I don't know if this is gonna be useful for a lot of people. This is a stand for nail tips. So if you don't work with press-on nails or fake tips, honestly I don't think you could use this as much. I really like that the base is very narrow, so you can put any size of the nails on top. It comes with the sticky tabs. You can use this to stick the nail to the stand or to stick the nails on your fingers. The next one is a must-have. In my opinion, this is the sticky pad by Clear Jelly Stamper, so you have a lot of sheets there to put your stamping test. Now let's check out the polishes that came with the box. I have this bag of 7 polishes. These are all stamping polishes. They're all in the Christmas tones. This is a very pretty silver. Here you can see it has metallic shimmer. This is also a yellow gold color, very pretty for the season. I have a cream regular red, very bright as well, and this typical Christmas pine green. We also have this blue, very nice for the winter. Is a little bit sheer though, and we have also a holographic red that's also a little bit sheer, as well as this green that also has holographic pigment and it's a little bit textured. So here are all the colors side by side. They look absolutely pretty and I think they're very accurate for the holiday season, and this is a comparison on the 2 types of red and green that come in the box. Now let's check out the plates. So I got this small plate for Christmas and also these 3 big ones. So you have a lot of candy canes, Santa Claus, Christmas trees. They're very cute. Actually, you have full nail designs as well as individual figures. They all come with this test sheet that you can see through, so you can actually see if it's gonna fit on your nail, how it's gonna match with the colors, etc. They also come with this guide. So for example, if I want to do the snowman, I have all the steps here that I can follow with the colors that also come in the box, so you can create the final design. So now I'm gonna show you the stamping test that I did with the polishes and the plates. To be honest, I didn't have any issues using the polishes, the stamping plates or the stamper, and they work perfectly. You can see here the image is very clear. The plates are very well etched, so you won't have any issues. Just keep in mind that this company is a layer stamping company, so you will find a lot of layers on the plates if you don't feel comfortable, or this is something that you don't want to do or you don't know how to, you might lose like a lot of the designs that come in the plate, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, they work great. These are great products. I highly recommend it. Here I had a little bit of an issue with this last polish. I think it was a little bit grainy, so it was a little bit difficult to scrape, but it's stamped anyways and it turned out beautiful. So here are all the designs that I stamped. As you can see, they're very bright, they're very pigmented, and they work perfectly for the designs that are on the plate. You can see they also have like a metallic and holographic effect. So this is all I had to show you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments about all these products, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.